At Ottawa's Union Local 613, the sixth wave hits hard.
I'd use the word devastating. It's pretty brutal.
Most of Ivan Geddes' staff got COVID-19, and the restaurant lost tens of thousands of dollars in a short-term closure. Customer numbers aren't back to normal, and fixed costs like rent don't change.
There's certainly drastic stressors on our bottom line.
With federal COVID supports ending, Geddes didn't see anything in the new budget that would directly help, even as the Prime Minister and Deputy Prime Minister do the rounds promoting the budget's aid for small business.
There is still specific support in place for the hardest hit industries until May 7th. So there's still some runway there.
The average small business has taken on $160,000 in debt. And even as they slowly crawl out of COVID and start to win back some of their customers, they haven't had a regular month of sales in 2 years.
The Canadian Federation of Independent Business says only 40% of small businesses see pre-pandemic revenue levels. They were calling for more loan forgiveness and help and don't give this budget high marks.
A C or a D. There were a few good things for small businesses, but overall, it was a big missed opportunity.
The biggest good thing, a shift in the tax rate. Right now, businesses pay a lower 9% rate on the first $500,000 of taxable income, so long as taxable capital is under $15 million. After that, they hit the regular 15% rate. Budget 2022 would let them keep paying 9% until they hit $50 million in taxable capital instead. And while the finance minister says it's important to recognize businesses' hard work across the country, she also stresses times have changed.
That was emergency spending for a specific emergency period, and that period is over.
Businesses still dealing with long-term impacts may feel differently. Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.